let's get started on writing a viral Amazon product review script. Here's the script for the large 6QT Camp Dutch oven. We've all been there, trying to cook up a hearty meal in the great outdoors, only to find that our gear just isn't cutting it. \n. But here's what surprised me when I stumbled upon the large 6QT Camp Dutch oven on Amazon. \n. It's not just another Dutch oven. It's a game changer for campers and outdoor enthusiasts who want to cook like pros in the wilderness. \n. For the best price, click the link in the description. The large 6QT Camp Dutch oven is a behemoth of a pot that can handle even the largest of groups. But what really sets it apart from other Dutch ovens on the market is its ability to distribute heat evenly and retain moisture like nobody's business. \n. But as I soon discovered, this isn't just some fancy marketing gimmick. Therefore, it actually works. I was initially skeptical about how well this thing would perform in a camping setting, but boy, was I blown away by its performance. The first time I used it, I made a big pot of chili that fed my entire crew for hours. \n. And let me tell you, it was love at first bite. But what really impressed me was how easy it was to clean up afterwards. Because, let's be real, nobody likes scrubbing away at a bunch of stuck-on food in the middle of nowhere. But here's the thing, this Dutch oven is not just for campers. Therefore, I believe it can benefit anyone who wants to cook with ease and precision in their own backyard or even on a picnic. \n. And don't even get me started on how much money you'll save by buying in bulk. Because let's face it, we've all been there slapping down $10 for a single serving of takeout. Now I know what you're thinking. Is this really worth the investment? Well, let me tell you, I was skeptical at first too. But after using this thing for months now, I can confidently say it's paid for itself many times over. And don't even get me started on how durable this thing is. It's built like a tank and can withstand even the most extreme temperatures. \n. But what really gets my goat is when people make jokes about Dutch ovens being old-fashioned. Therefore, let me tell you, this one's got all the bells and whistles of modern cooking tech. One of my favorite features of the large 6QT Camp Dutch oven is how it can be used for both stovetop and oven cooking. \n. But here's what really sets it apart. Its clever design allows for easy transition between these two modes. Therefore, you'll never have to worry about switching out pots again. Now that I've spilled all the beans, let me give you a quick rundown of some of my favorite things about this Dutch oven. Its massive 6-quart capacity is perfect for big groups or feasts. The even heat distribution ensures that your food will be cooked to perfection every time. It's incredibly durable and built to last. But wait, there's more. I've also got some not-so-favorite things about this Dutch oven. It can get quite heavy when filled with ingredients. Some users have reported issues with the lid sticking in extreme temperatures. However, for a few minor quibbles, I would hands down recommend the large 6QT Camp Dutch oven to anyone looking to upgrade their camping or backyard cooking game. \n. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more gear reviews and outdoor tips. For the best price on Amazon, click the link in the description.